How to use text blocks in Squarespace. So in order to do that, first head over wherein you want to add that text block. If you already have an existing text block, you can head over and edit that. In my case, let's head over and add a text block right here. Click on this add block, and then under the basics, you can find the text. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. Let's put it right here. Input right here the actual content of that text block. So let's head over and input right here T stars. Now, in order to edit it, you can select everything and edit it using this bars right here. You can bold it, italicize, as well as change its heading. For example, let's make this heading 1. And you can actually edit this block by making it bigger if you would want. As you can see, it looks like this now. Now, into this case, you can also edit it by changing its color. For example, let's change it black or let's change it into blue. Now, as you can see, it looks like this right now. You can do some further editing by clicking on this edit icon. And in here, you can see that we have highlights, bullets, and likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.